So, you're planning a trip abroad and you're wondering, does SoFi charge international fees? Good question. Because let's face it, unexpected fees can turn a dream vacation into a financial nightmare. Today, we're diving deep into the world of SoFi and international transactions to give you the lowdown. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. International fees can be a sneaky little extra cost that can really add up. You've got ATM fees, currency conversion fees, and those pesky foreign transaction fees. It's like adding insult to injury when you're already dealing with jet lag and trying to figure out which way is up. Now, back to SoFi. You might have heard the buzz about this digital banking platform. They offer a range of financial products, from checking and savings accounts to investing and personal loans. But does this shiny new financial tool actually save you money when you're exploring the world? Let's break it down. First things first, let's talk about ATM fees. Everyone hates them. They're like the uninvited guest at your financial party. With SoFi, you'll get fee-free ATM withdrawals at SoFi-branded ATMs. That's a good start, but what about those other ATMs scattered around the globe? Well, SoFi is part of the Allpoint ATM network, which is a pretty decent-sized network. So, while you might not find a SoFi ATM in every corner of the world, you've got a good chance of finding an Allpoint ATM. But wait, there's more. SoFi also offers a cashback rewards program. So, while you might still get hit with an ATM fee by the ATM owner, you can at least recoup some of that cash with rewards. It's like a little pat on the back from SoFi for your troubles. Now, let's talk about currency conversion. This is where things can get a bit tricky. When you use your SoFi card abroad, your transaction is converted from the foreign currency to USD. And that's where the potential for fees lies. Some card issuers slap on a conversion fee, which can really sting. So, does SoFi charge a currency conversion fee? The good news is, SoFi doesn't add its own fee to the conversion. However, the bank that processes the transaction might. This is called a foreign transaction fee. While SoFi doesn't charge one, it's important to check with your specific SoFi card to see if there's a foreign transaction fee attached. To make things even more confusing, exchange rates fluctuate. So, even if you don't get hit with a fee, you might still end up paying more or less for your purchases depending on the exchange rate at the time of the transaction. It's like playing a real-life version of currency exchange. Alright, let's recap. SoFi offers fee-free ATM withdrawals at SoFi-branded ATMs and access to the Allpoint network. While they don't charge a currency conversion fee, you might still be subject to a foreign transaction fee depending on your specific card. And remember, exchange rates can impact the final cost of your purchases. So, is SoFi the ultimate travel companion? It depends. If you're someone who plans to stick to SoFi ATMs and doesn't mind the potential for foreign transaction fees, then SoFi could be a good option. But if you're a frequent traveler who values avoiding all fees, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the best way to decide if SoFi is right for you is to weigh the pros and cons based on your travel habits and spending patterns. And remember, it's always a good idea to do your research and compare different options before you hit the road. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.